Hi guys, welcome back to another tool review video. Today I've got some neat little ratchets to show you. They're very tiny, they're short. They'll get you into these tight places. So the first one here is a Powerbuilt 72 teeth ratchet. As you see, it's a combination ratchet. You can put bits in here or a 1/4 inch socket, and it's got this little switch here to go from forward to reverse. And this one here is a brand name I've never heard of before. It's called Kennso. It is a 72 teeth ratchet as well. This one here, you can only put bits in there. So this ratchet here is just over 3.5 inches, and the small Powerbuilt ratchet is just over 3 inches. The reason I bought these ratchets is because sometimes I need to get in really tight places with a bit, either a torque or an Allen bit. I can fit it in there and get in there and use the ratchet instead of using an Allen key or a screwdriver that won't really fit into place. And I'll put the links to these little ratchets under the video so you can check them out. By the way, I am not sponsored to make this video today. I purchased these with my own money. Now my favorite out of the two is this one because it's a combination. It feels good in your hands, it's solid. And you can put sockets on this one as well because sometimes I do need to get in tight areas to remove bolts. And the 72 teeth ratcheting mechanism inside is quite smooth. And this one you could take it apart like I did in previous videos and put more grease in there if you want to. And coming back to this ratchet here, it does have the nice little switch here to shift from forward to reverse. And this one here, when you insert the bit, it is magnetic, so it's not going to drop. When you put it in the Powerbuilt, it kind of goes in there tight. I don't think it's magnetic, but it will not fall out of the ratchet. And by the way, this ratchet here weighs 40 grams, and this one here weighs approximately 113 grams. And I bought these just before the holidays last year in 2019, so I have been using them for a few months. I always use my tools for a while before doing video reviews, so then I can give you a more honest review on them. And they're not little ratchets that I use every day, so they're going to last a long time. You just got to be careful if you're going to be forcing on bolts that are in very tight. You have to consider that the parts are a lot smaller in these ratchets. But overall, they're awesome little ratchets to have. They will come in handy at some point. And when you're stuck and the only way you can get in there is with these little ratchets, you'll be very happy you bought them. And in my opinion, these are must-have little ratchets for your toolbox if you do any kind of small engine repair. And here's one last look at them up close. Hopefully my video today, guys, helped you to decide whether these little ratchets will be good for your shop. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and that you're following me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and have a great day.